Rev.com audio service, honest review, watch before using. If you're considering Rev.com for your transcription, captioning, or translation needs, this honest review will cover everything you need to know before using the service. Links to the product are in the description if you want to explore further after watching. Rev.com offers transcription services at $1.50 per audio minute, captions for the same rate, and foreign subtitles starting at $5 per minute. Their standout feature is their 99% accuracy rate, which is achieved by human transcriptionists rather than AI alone. Turnaround times are impressive, with most projects completed in under 24 hours. They also provide an easy-to-use interface and the option to integrate directly with platforms like YouTube and Vimeo. This service is designed for content creators, journalists, podcasters, legal professionals, and anyone who needs fast, reliable, and high-quality audio-to-text services. If accuracy and speed are critical to your projects, Rev.com is a strong choice. However, keep in mind that the cost can add up for longer audio files. Their automated transcription service, RevAI, offers a cheaper alternative at 25 cents per minute but sacrifices some accuracy. On the downside, Rev.com may not be ideal for those on a tight budget or for projects where 100% accuracy isn't crucial. Additionally, while they claim confidentiality, sensitive data users should verify their security measures to ensure peace of mind. In summary, Rev.com excels in accuracy, speed, and user-friendliness, making it a top choice for professionals who value quality over cost. Whether you're transcribing interviews, creating accessible video content, or working on multilingual projects, this service is highly reliable. If you found this review helpful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. It helps us continue creating content like this and ensures you don't miss out on future reviews. Thank you for watching.